Meaning of insane.
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 Insane. The word insane typically refers to a state of being mentally ill or mentally unsound. It can also mean showing extreme behavior that is not considered rational or acceptable. Insanity can manifest in many forms, such as delusions, hallucinations, and erratic behavior. When we say someone is insane, we are saying that their actions or thoughts are drastically different from what is considered normal and that they may be putting themselves or others at risk. Ultimately, insane describes a state of mind that is outside the realm of rationality and typical human behavior.